Mithai, come on. Can't you hear what I'm saying? Should I ask you to come? Let's go.
That's it. Enough is enough, grandson. No more. Samresh, this is my house. To date every person in this house is my responsibility. I am telling you to stop this nonsense. Mithai, you take grandson inside. Go. No one will leave this house more. Revati, I request you with folded hands. I have something to discuss with my family, so it will be better if you leave us alone.
Definitely, uncle. Definitely. Yes, come.
Listen, Somresh. No matter if it's an ongoing case or anything else, Mithai will stay in this house. She will stay here with full respect. Mithai is the daughter-in-law of this family. Even if you don't accept it, I believe that she is the daughter-in-law of our family. She won't go anywhere else.
This was completely wrong of you, Dad. This was completely wrong.
Go to your room, Mithai. To your room.
Finally, after a very long time, we all are united. Grandpa, hey Grandpa.
Yes.
What I'm saying is, let's leave all the differences, the clashes aside, and let's move forward.
We are here, Brother Rajiv. We have got special sweets.
Mithai, today we will feed you sweets. Rajiv, let's hear our slogan.
Absolutely. Stuff her with the sweets. Here, here, here.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Hey,
Wait, wait. No, no.
Let's hear
That's
it
like
from
it.
everybody. Hail the Lord!
Hey, Lord!
God. Look, Mithai. Since you were not here, Siddharth couldn't even unpack after returning from Singapore. He was so miserable, I tell you.
Actually, he's a great person. So he was wondering how poor Mithai could land in such trouble. Mithai has done so many favors, right? That's why grandfather's grandson was blaming himself.
Hey,
Yes.
you can't say all that for my brother now, okay? Before leaving, he accepted the marriage. He accepted you. For his wife, he left everything, his job, his career. All of this can't just be counter favor for favors, right? Didn't you see his condition? This is called love, right? Isn't it, sister? One day, even Rudra will be in this condition for me. If Nipa isn't in front of him, Rudra won't be able to fall asleep. You guys will see.
Oh my. Sister Nipa, you apparently sent 300 messages to the Rudra for me. Now please, oh my lord, please control yourself. Control.
Hey, Nipa. Hey, can't you see what we are going through and still you are harping on about your love life?
Oh my, I would stop if it was a phase. I truly am in love with him, Shri. I don't any of you want to believe that. Okay. Nipa, Rudra is here. Be absolutely silent, okay?
Mithai.
Hmm?
Look, Gopal is back. Rudy brought him. Here, gently.
Oh lord, Rudra, thank you for bringing my lot to me. Oh, I was saying that I used to stay there with Aunt Bakul, and I have promised her that one day I will give her good meal. And the police woman, the one who brought me everything for my prayers, I will treat her too. They are amazing people.
Look at that. Do you see Tufan Mail's work, Rajiv? She even got arrested due to the silly blind trust in strangers.
Oh, Sid. How many people even have a heart like Mithai? Anyway, I have a lot of things to discuss in the case. Nanda, can I get some tea?
Yes, sure, I will get it. Hey, sister, wait. None of you need to go today. I will make tea today.
What? Nanda, it's over.
Hey, what do you mean by that? Tell me. I have learned how to make tea. Mithai, didn't you tell me I should serve my first tea to Rudra?
What? I did.
Nipa, let it be for today. Nanda, you quickly go and make some tea. Mithai should not run away. We have lots to discuss here.
Damn, none of you believe me. Rudra,
Yes.
won't you have tea made by me?
No, I mean,
Hey, he will, of course. Rudra will have tea made by you see? It's much better than reading 300 messages. Right, Rudra?
Sid, you are overdoing it, okay? I know. Nothing. I can't even say anything.
Nipa, let me go with you too.
Hey,
Come.
no, not at all. When Mithai or Nanda make tea, do you go with them? Why now then? No one needs to go with me. I can do it on my own.
Oh, good Lord. Who is she? Is she my sister-in-law?
Aha, Rajiv. It's all due to our Rudra's blessings.
Right. Mithai, this Mr. Bittergourd of yours will get a nice beating from me.
What is Rudra here to say? Are they anyhow doubting Torsha or me? I too. Why did I even try and plot all this? Torsha has lost her mind. Why did I have to dance on her tunes? And now I'm completely isolated. The police has filed the case. That means the first hearing must be handled carefully.
Rudra, what happened in this house centered around Mithai? Isn't it something to talk about? Okay, tell me this. This whole issue, it will take a long time to get over it completely, isn't
That's for sure, Rajiv. Your genius has also been rather silly. But Rudy, we need to find out one thing. Who planned this whole thing and why? I called Aditya Agrawal, but he didn't answer my call.
Wait, Sid, don't rush. Be patient. The hearing is in 3 days. The police have filed their case. If we could find this Makhan Mandal, I would undoubtedly get a confession out of him. Well, Mithai, what did Makhan Mandal tell you exactly? Can you tell me?
Makhan told me that he used to work at a sweet shop in Jonai, but that shop closed down. As he had heard of grandfather, he came here for a job. And then, out of hunger, he tried to steal money from the cash box.
Clever. Very clever. You hired him even after he was accused of being a thief. That's why the police is more suspicious of you. And Mithai, how can you trust people so much these days? You need to be very careful. But that Makhan Mandal is nowhere to be found. I have alerted my informers everywhere, but we need help to trace him. As if he suddenly disappeared. We need to find him very soon.
I need to interrogate Adi properly and give you all the details, right?
Will you tell me something, Sid? Aditya Agrawal has a long-standing rivalry with you guys. Why did he need to employ people to do something like this, you tell me? It's crucial to know that first.
To take revenge. For the day Mithai showed herself capable at the PCG party.
Yeah. Shri is absolutely right. This didn't strike any of us. Rudra, something of that sort must have happened, you know?
I see. In fact, it's quite probable. If your Tufan Mill hadn't trusted people, Aditya Agrawal couldn't have done this then. You all are aware about it, how she trusts people easily. See how she's standing now, as if nothing has happened. Rajiv, we would have been saved if she had been less silly, you know? What? Why are you standing? Say something. Where's your famous teaching? Go ahead.
Look at that, Rudra. Mithai has always trusted people and she will also trust today. It's okay if you trust someone and get betrayed, but you can't distrust everyone. And Mithai has done just one foolish thing, and that is, I should have first verified about Makhan. That's fine. Listen, Mithai cannot see anyone in pain. I did do something foolish, but Mithai will trust people her whole life and love them too. Mithai is declaring this today.
Mithai, listen. Mithai, please listen to me.
Mithai.
Brother Som? You here?
What's the matter, Som? Why do you look so troubled?
What happened, Shom? Any problem?
No, why would there be a problem? As you all were discussing, so I thought that whether I should come and... Okay, I'll come later.
Wait a minute, Som. I'm sure you can provide me with a lot of vital information.
What will Brother Som even say? He can't tolerate me at all. Why did it seem as if Brother Som was eavesdropping? No. Am I wrong? Oof, why am I doubting him so badly?
Hello! Where is everyone?
Listen, I will keep the offering in the temple, okay?
Oh man. I thought of making tea with some ginger. But I just remembered that I needed to add tea. Where is the ginger anyway? There it is.
Oh Lord, what am I looking at?
Come, let's see.
Hey Nipa, what are you doing? Where are the others? Are you making tea? For whom?
For Rudra. He's upstairs in brother's room.
Will Rudra have it alone? Won't I get a share?
Just stop. Come here. Can she even do this? Have you ever made tea?
Do you see it, Grandpa? No one in this house trusts me. You tell me, am I still a kid? Soon Grandma will be the one to say, but first we need to get Nipa married. And if I don't know any task, what would Grandma say then?
What?
Oh Lord, you have already thought of so much.
What are you saying, Nipa?
So, granddaughter, when so much is going on in your head, marriage, household work, has someone caught your fancy? What's his name? When you are thinking of so much, what's the meaning of that? There has to be a meaning. What's the meaning?
Hey, Grandpa, Grandma.
Yeah.
You are trying to understand Nipa's logic. Come on, let's go upstairs. And Grandma, you are listening to Nipa holding the plate of the offerings, really?
Oh my. I thought I would reveal it.
Would you reveal it? What would you reveal, granddaughter? Go ahead, go on.
Huh?
Actually, I saw a movie last night, and the heroine of that cinema was learning household work. So, I thought that I was the heroine of that film.
Okay, cinema. She saw a movie, you see. I'll go and keep the plate of offerings in the temple. Grandson, I prayed for everyone's well-being, Don't just stand here. Go get changed. Come.
Yeah. Sandeep, you are the one I'm calling. Come here. She was weeping her eyes out for mithai last night and saw a movie in between. Are you mocking me? If something is matter, let me know in advance. Let's not have a repeat of what happened at the last wedding in the house. Got it? I hope you will remember this.
Nipa? Hey, Nipa. Are you completely crazy? Are you out of your mind? What were you trying to say to Grandpa? What if Ruth's name could have come out?
It would have been a problem, right? Right. I need to be more of an expert. I have to keep Rudra happy after all. Fine. Let's wait for a few more days. Oh my lord! Did you see that? My tea is completely cold talking to you. I need to remake it.
Well, Shom, tell me something. Everything burned down in the base kitchen fire, but not that file. I mean, the one with Aditya Agrawal's offer to Mithai. That file was saved. Who did that thing? I don't know. Makhan Mandal. Look, if he had saved the file, why didn't he hand it over to someone?
Uncle Rosamai and his team were out of the factory after the fire. I mean, that's what we heard.
1 minute, 1 minute. I've read the statements. When Reshma went out, then they couldn't carry anything out. They had to leave everything behind. Their clothes, stuff, whatever, everything was burnt down to ashes. Yes.
No. But in that case, who saved the file?
It's not possible to know that. Right, Rudra?
It might be, if I can get my hands on Makhan Mandal. But the real culprit is missing. Let's see what can be done. Anyway, I will leave now. But please be vigilant enough. You might notice something that can prove to be a better clue, so be careful. I'll leave now.
Oh my! What happened to tea? Hey, Shri. Tea?
Really? What is Nipa doing? Come, let's see.
One second.
I don't really need tea. Hey, Nanda and
You
Shri,
will,
listen
you
to me.
No matter how, I need to inform Makhan that the police are looking for you everywhere. But how will I inform him? There is no way to contact him.
Why am I constantly doubting Brother Som? No. Mithai, why did you start distrusting your own people? Shame on you.